Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel and we are heading to Mr. Granville this morning.
Aya, we are going to.
I wonder what you're talking about.
We are going Aya.
So yes guys, thank you so much for your continued support. Do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video, you will be updated. All right. Ooh. Boy, Marcel have the load carrying.
Aya. Riding.
Whoa. Mr. Granville. How you do? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we are lifting the son.
Yeah. Till we're dead.
Tell your son not putting out of my time. You want to put him back in. I say, all you do, the first time people, you know, all the time people, they don't make them turn inside. They carry them out on the veranda.
Yes.
And make them stay out there and want to be ready to go back in.
Oh.
Yes, man.
So you dress up trash so like you come from somewhere.
Good thing me put on the clothes here because I'm glad I meet you this way.
Look at the shoes, you know?
Huh?
Funny shoes,
Yes,
the trash out.
They say a rubber.
You see a rubber?
A rubber.
A rubber shoes.
You hear about bank robber? Yes, me. I want guy punish stone. Just come and
That's not a bank robber.
and he say bank robber. Man, so me check say should it matter?
That's not a bank robber. That's.
I know bank robber is. From me no bank robber.
Maybe you know, maybe you think I hit you put on, but I no hit.
Yeah, I just made it a one.
Oh.
Maybe say that.
This a shows an Arab no bank.
It looks like you have no bank. Yeah. I'm back one them.
Yeah, look if one crowd are funny.
Nautica.
Nautica.
Nautica in here? Okay. Me say, me mind the pan both of all of you, man.
Yeah, where the pan
me I consider
That's why we tired, so.
me I consider
Where you consider say?
me I consider that when me I got see him now.
So how you name call we?
Huh?
So why you never call us?
That me say the phone you know man. I just charge it up man.
Battery.
It dead. If it dead you see man.
Can't keep the
So
charge.
I see me just carry I can go put it on charge until now.
Oh, that's why you dress up so?
Then I walk around there, but you may not go along today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me just carry up with the pan charge and just step back in our house there.
Today kind of cold and windy, so better you not dip on the farm today.
Oh yes, it really windy. I remember say December no come up no yet.
Yeah.
But the motor go up in when motor will get colder and colder. Yes. I'm so happy for now.
Yeah.
Then better brother.
Yes, we turn around.
Me learn about me pick me you just.
Play something.
But that me don't like to be the other one I say bring in the shit. They can't do it.
It sounds good though.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Sound good.
Yeah.
You look like you, how long now you get back that? Look like you were practicing.
No, me no practice at all because the guy who give me thing can blow yes man is one ex-police.
Yes.
And he live around the corner there so and he give me it and he keep before he blow it. Jesus, you see a Sankey? When dead you had him Jack Sankey?
Yeah.
Car he said where you put me and he can blow this and blow everything make you hear it playing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, you do good yourself.
Huh?
You're doing good yourself too.
Yes, and me I try to blow one of them where you can't know when me I blow say but no catches so yet. No catches so yet.
Yeah, with practice, man. You will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see how far you're reaching, right? One.
Me don't know the key them. Very nice.
Bringing in the sheep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I try, you know.
Alright, you may say, you see? Anything you blow, I feel tune.
Yeah.
See, like you can build one song,
Yeah.
anything you blow are your one. Sometimes people say they have some artwork.
Yes.
And I saw like something you don't even can make
Can't
it
know.
like dry.
Abstract.
Alright.
True, sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel them that.
Thank you.
Oh, so anything you blow are your one.
I'm my one. Yes.
It's raining
Tell us.
now.
I'm going to make
So you can blow it for now.
Maybe you need to, maybe like when you blow, you need to huff and puff first.
Yes, because me
So you huff and puff and then you blow.
Yes, this I'm drying because when I said me just a blow and I let out and I'm drying nothing. So it look like me say let out and bring in, I out and bring in. Me think I want big one to my name, me say I want bring in.
Yeah.
But me think I want big some to me use to
Then if you can blow this a little one, the big one you can blow.
the big one better to blow so because
Yeah.
you have more key.
Oh, really?
Yes, you have more key, the big one so then the may use too.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but like this a little one, you know, it's more harder for me.
You're so alright, man. You so learn it fully.
Yes. Yes. Then you know, see Melissa turned me in a Rasta.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Which one your barber there?
Huh?
Where's your barber? I'm not normally come here.
Yes, man, I want to come, young man round the corner there, so.
Oh, so.
And
So-
like when I see my while ago, and every day see me, you want to shave the nut of it. But me think me not ready yet because I go to too now. In the Christmas, it I go bush up back for Christmas. I'm going to just make one shaving and done.
One bush down.
Yes. That even I go bushy because of Jesus. I try to take a shave and King Jesus, you know, because I wasn't touching my. All of them disciples.
So you're not taking no cut.
From the band, they shouldn't kill me at all.
Just make you get used to it, so you do it over and over.
Yes, sure, we get used to it. But from the band, they shouldn't kill me. I feel good, man. I feel good.
Yeah.
Me say, me no, but every time me see Sister Michelle and Brother Badwell, me feel happy.
Yeah.
Me happy all the time, but me feel happy more.
Yes.
Happier.
Yeah, me more happier.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're really happy for true.
Oh, yeah.
Tell us everything in a one go.
Yes, sister. Well, I would like to send greetings to Sister Rosie. Sweet Sister Rosie from Jamaica. She was in America. And she is 1 in a million. And I would like to send greetings to her and to her daughters and to her sons and grandchildren and to her main squeeze. And may the Lord bless and keep and guide and protect her until we need. Yeah. This is coming from Brother Stafford.
Oh, Lord, so how things otherwise?
Well, we have to give thanks because the whole Melissa rock me. Me I think say me now come away with him. He rock me, you know. Me say if I didn't take the back to them and stuff in a them place there, so no glass no left.
Yeah.
Stuff the whole of them go right down.
It's raining, you know.
Yeah. For some people told me that for them glass mash out, so they have me put water in the back of them. They say no man. As long as they have one cork.
Oh.
Maybe too firm with the water.
Okay. Yeah.
Because maybe they might put a bottle now, they say if they didn't know they would put bottle because them glasses them leak out. The wind leak out it. But me consider me head before she catch here.
Yeah.
From me here say she a come.
You can't see her?
Yes, and she a come slow. Me say, alright, me slow.
Yeah,
You give me time for bar you up.
Yeah.
And we get time and bar up.
She stop and put on her makeup before she reach one.
Yes.
Dress up, you know?
She had dress up for.
Yes.
So he give me time to fix up the window then.
Yes.
And then I say, oh God, I say, when he blocked up by the time he come in like an earthquake with it. You will be just a shake, because I tell everybody say come in like earthquake, he come with it.
Yeah.
So everywhere a shake. Me thought Halang thought, Carl Pantry thought.
You have a ball.
No, me only holla. But when the ball down tunnel, when you had this one here.
Ball roll like on.
No, me keep the ball.
You keep your ball.
Me keep the ball, me don't let out the ball. me not, because if me let out the ball, whole lot of people don't hear me. But me just take time and I holla and I talk to Jesus.
You know, so we can't come and sing to tune for people them though. Because we have some viewers and subscribers we always want to hear you singing.
Are you?
No, what's man?
I'm so happy to hear this.
Yes, man.
I'm so happy. I love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails.
Oh, yeah, sister.
All my days I've been held in your hands.
Say it again.
From the moment I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Oh.
All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. And every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me.
Yes.
I surrender now, I give you everything.
Surrender.
I surrender now, I give you everything.
Yes.
All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. And every breath that I can take, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Alright, hold on, let me ask you one question. The part where you laugh when you sing, that a part I sang to?
No.
Or you just put in a little part
I put in that part there because it could when me sing and laugh.
Oh, I hear you.
Boy, no, sir.
It could when you sing. Any song at all you sing and you put a little laugh.
You have to put a little laugh.
Don't you?
Yes. It's all
A little
good.
gravy you put in.
Yes, and spicy up.
Yeah, you mean, man.
But when we are sing, me like is spicy, you know. And when you talk to me like is spicy up.
Yes.
But when you spicy, it's nice. Yes, man. It's nice, man. Oh, God.
When you spell.
Yes, you have to spicy up.
Spice up it.
Yes, spicy make it nice.
Yes.
But we are speaking from where? Madison, Manchester, Jamaica.
Yes.
And we are on the air.
Namas.
So it is, our vibes are everywhere because we are on the air. And we don't have no fear.
No fear. We don't fear Melissa.
No, Melissa have to go on and leave us. Just go back to the Gulf where you come from. Yes. Because you know. This is from Jamaica to the world. This is the brand new song by the man called Staffy, Brother Staffy. Other way it's called Aya. And so Papi gonna sing a brand new tune now. Jesus. Melissa comes and left me gone. He shake me window, he jerk me window, and he shake up the house. Lord, look how much people he left out the door. Oh, yeah, some of them about the floor. They live a holy by them without shelter. Melissa make you do them that. A God is great, a God keep me. And make Melissa no can be buried him. Look how much people dump in the sea. So some of the people can't, the much people dead. Oh Lord. Jesus, you did tell me. The holy path. Destruction. But see it you know.
Alright.
You know.
Alright, Staffy. We want one fresher one.
That one you know ready.
You know ready?
They want fresher.
That one you know ready at all.
Because I'm a freelance, I'm trying to make it on the
Just give
spot.
me one gospel where everybody will know.
Because me and try to talk about Melissa, but you know.
Melissa go on, one forget
Melissa, yes, I making no sound good. Because she will go 10 bar again. Yes. Yes. I say yes, Lord, yes.
Them tune them.
To your will and to your
What
way.
you say, man?
I say yes, Lord, yes. I will trust you and obey. When your spirit speaks to me, with my whole heart I agree. And my answer will be yes, Lord, yes. Listen again. Yes, Lord, yes. To your will and to your way. And we say yes, Lord, yes. I will trust you and obey. When your spirit speaks to me, with our whole heart we agree. And our answer will be yes, Lord, yes. Lord, they never know that Papa Taffy could have been. They take up the mic and me hold it in my hand. A little of that I say me talk to a song. Me sing yes, Lord, yes. Your will and to your way. I say yes, Lord, yes. I will trust you and obey. When your spirit speaks to me, with my whole heart I agree. And my answer will be yes, Lord, yes.
Yes, Lord, yes. Yes, Staffy. Yeah, praise the Almighty, you know.
Yes, we big him up.
Yeah, big him up.
Me big up your Jesus. Jesus, me big you up.
Yes.
Jesus, we big you up on earth, we big you up in heaven. We big you up in the element and in the firmament. Lord, we big you up. Oh, Jesus, we big you up.
Big up Jesus.
Oh, Jesus, we lift you up in earth and we lift you up in heaven. We lift you up in the element and in the firmament. Oh, yes.
And this artist said I use some big words.
But me have so much
I
sound.
want to write the tune them out of dictionary, man.
Huh?
I want to find dictionary write the tune them out of.
No, me just come natural so.
Come natural, you. How you feel?
Natural.
Natural you are.
Natural.
Yeah.
Yes, natural. They can see.
I'm like, I search one next one.
Me had so much that he can't do. That he can't do.
Too much.
Yes.
Now I have too much yard, go to bed without dinner.
As for me, say, yes. As for me,
They
yes.
have too much tune, you can't find none. Yeah.
No. They can.
You can go so?
Huh?
You never please say you can go so?
But me there sometimes I sit down and care so I'm let it go sing song. And there's a line up back and you need 1 hour straight.
Yeah, when if you left them in a chair, kind of you sit down the last time you sing.
So me not sit there, me not sit in a chair. Cathy.
Yeah.
Oh. Me hold back time, you know. And
Sing a tune, man. Not around.
You must think, man.
yeah,
He soon come.
huh?
He soon come.
That is that. Help me out.
Sing me a Likkle Lamb, man. Everybody know that.
Huh?
I'll baby sing it too.
Maybe a Likkle Lamb?
Where you told Mr. Granville for myself?
Maybe a Likkle Lamb?
You know that song?
He had a little lamb, a little lamb.
That was me in a grade 1.
You remember that?
Huh?
A few of them not come yet.
That was me in a grade 1.
Yeah.
So you go and sing that till you remember fame.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I try to remember this song, Mr. Granville. We bring you some things this morning. You hear?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, make sure you're there and still focus on remembering this song.
Yes,
Anyways, so we brought you groceries and we bring you a case of water, the big ones.
Yes,
we bring you 4 in the case here. And these are from Brother West.
Oh, big up yourself, Brother West.
Big up Brother West.
Respect me.
Yes.
Brother West.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Pastor West.
Pastor West.
Yes.
Minister West.
Yeah, big him up, big him up.
Big up Minister West.
Bishop West.
Bishop West. I hope you're hearing me now. Big up. And if you're not hearing anybody here, you can and know you can do stereo.
Yeah,
say I bigging you up.
Yes.
And Sister Michelle and Brother Baz. We're bigging you up.
All right. So, and your favorite thing there, your saltfish and your salt mackerel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And also we have donations for you from Warrell and the CB.
Warrell and
Your sister and brother, yes. Warrell and CB.
Oh, that is a company.
No man, a brother and sister.
Well, company, not
brother. Well.
Oh.
Yes, from 2 persons.
Yes.
Yes.
So, Warrell and CD.
CB.
CD.
Yeah.
And Warrell.
Warrell.
I pronounce it right?
Yes, man. Warrell and the CB.
Warrell and Sister Warrell and Brother CD.
His brother Warrell and sister CB.
Brother Warrell and Sister CD.
Yes.
And thank you very much for your donation and for what you donate for me. And may the good Lord bless and keep you all both. And may he make his face shine upon you and be gracious as you. May he lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Give you peace.
All right.
No man, you're good man. You're good man. Anything else?
All right. Yes, man. We just want to say thanks to.
Thank you. God richly bless you and your family.
Yes.
From the smallest one to the eldest one.
Yes.
Yes, man. Thank you so much, guys. Your donation is greatly appreciated. All right. So that's it. You remember the song now?
May the good Lord bless and keep you.
Yes.
Whether near or far away. May you walk with sunlight shining and a bluebird in every tree. May you walk.
Yes, stop it.
We had so much.
When we come back when you remember.
All right, guys. So once again, thanks to our donors. God bless you richly, and Stuffy, Mr. Granville, is very grateful. All right. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye bye.
And God bless you all from Jamaica to the world.
All right.
Pick up yourself, guys.
Yeah. All right.